Good morning, everyone. Part 3 of the ice candy video. So, hey, how many coconuts did you use to make the next batch of ice candy?
12.
12 coconuts it took?
Yes.
And how many ice candies did you get out of it?
166.
Okay. So you need 12 coconuts to make 166 ice candy. And here's all the ice candy frozen. And some more here. So each one's 5 pesos. So 5 pesos times 166 is 830 pesos. So 500 pesos is $10. So you guys can figure it out how much you make. And then you have to subtract how much you spend on everything. You know how much you spent on everything? No? Huh?
No, I don't know yet.
They figure it out.
They can figure it out.
So yeah, they don't know. But they have to buy sugar and all the other stuff I showed you. So they don't make a lot of money. It's just kind of a hobby. And keeps them busy for a little while. And they like doing it. So it's raining outside right now, so this is a short video. But there, now you have the finished product. And Dingaland Dan might make another video for you when it stops raining. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the ice candy series. And stay safe out there. Dingaland Dan out.